In your regression analysis, you will need to decide on what is the base specification and alternative specification for your model. You can think of the base specification as a model guided by economic theory and previous empirical studies on this subject. This is the model that you're using as a base case, or model number one, in a series of nested models in order to find the true specification for your regression model. The alternative specification is often used by adding additional regressors on top of the base case in order to see how sensitive your estimates in the base case are to the inclusions of additional regressors. If your estimates for the variable of interest in the base case is very sensitive to the inclusion of additional regressors, then it's indicative that you haven't removed the extent of omitted variable bias in the model. And therefore, you haven't established the causal effect for your variable of interest in the base case. On the other hand, if your estimate for the variable of interest in the base case is very stable to the inclusion of additional regressors, then it's likely that you might have achieved the causal effect for your variable of interest in the base case. But frequently, it's extremely rare that you manage to establish the causal effect in your base model or your very first model. Additionally, to find the right functional form, we need to decide whether the relationship in the underlying data is linear or not. If the distribution of your underlying data is not linear, it's obviously not right to fit a linear model on a non-linear data. This is the topic we'll focus on exploring in Module 3 after the midterm exam.